Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best OBD2 scanners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Wayjo OBD2 scanner with upgrade battery tester. This is the budget option on our list, priced at just $19.79. But don't let the price fool you. It packs a surprising punch for the cost. The Wayjo scanner is designed for basic diagnostics and includes features like error code reading and clearing, live data stream monitoring, and freeze-frame data viewing. It even has a built-in battery tester to help you monitor battery voltage, making it a versatile tool for DIYers. In terms of design, this scanner is compact and durable, with a rugged outer shell that can handle accidental drops. The 2.5-foot cable with a 16-pin OBD connector is well insulated for long-term use. The plug-and-play functionality ensures quick setup, and its multilingual support covers major languages like English, Spanish, and German. However, the Wayjo scanner has limitations. It lacks advanced diagnostic capabilities for systems like ABS or airbags, and its performance is geared towards simpler tasks. For users who need a tool for occasional check engine light diagnostics and basic battery checks, this is a fantastic value. But if you're looking for detailed system monitoring, you might want to consider stepping up to a higher-ranked product. Pros: affordable, easy to use, compact. Cons: limited advanced diagnostics, no battery life detection. At number 4, we have the Moto Power MP6903 OBD2 scanner, priced at $21.25. This scanner offers tremendous bang for your buck and is perfect for users who need a reliable tool without breaking the bank. It comes with a range of features including trouble code reading and clearing, live data monitoring, freeze-frame viewing, and IM readiness checks. It also supports 9 protocols, making it compatible with most vehicles manufactured after 1996, including some motorcycles. The design is user-friendly, featuring a bright 2.8-inch LCD screen with white backlight and contrast adjustment for easy readability. It doesn't require batteries or charging, since it draws power directly from your car. The 6-button layout is intuitive, even for beginners. Its compact form factor and lightweight design make it easy to store and carry. While the Moto Power MP69033 is accurate and fast thanks to its ARM microprocessor, it doesn't have advanced features like bidirectional controls or enhanced system diagnostics. This scanner is ideal for DIYers looking to handle basic engine diagnostics and code clearing at home. Pros: affordable, clear display, wide compatibility. Cons: lacks advanced diagnostics and bidirectional functionality. Claiming the number 3 spot is the Wayjo OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool, priced at $49.99. This scanner takes diagnostics to the next level with a built-in library of 35,901 DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes, which is far more extensive than many other scanners at this price point. It supports live data streaming, freeze-frame viewing, and onboard monitoring, and it can even perform component testing and battery voltage checks. If you're looking for a tool that can pinpoint issues efficiently, this is a solid choice. Its design is compact, durable, and practical, featuring a canvas storage bag for portability. The device supports 10 languages, catering to a wide range of users worldwide. Its ability to connect to a computer for data printing is particularly useful for those who want detailed reports of their vehicle's health. The Wayjo scanner strikes an excellent balance between affordability and advanced functionality, but it's still limited to basic resets and diagnostics. It doesn't support bidirectional controls or ABS/airbag diagnostics. This is an excellent option for users who need a versatile tool with robust capabilities for general car maintenance. Pros: comprehensive DTC library, lifetime free updates, multilingual support. Cons: limited advanced system diagnostics. Taking the runner-up position at number 2 is the Anova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool. This is a professional-grade scanner designed for users who want dealership-level functionality at their fingertips. With advanced capabilities like bidirectional controls, enhanced live data streams, and special reset functions, the Anova 5610 excels in pinpointing complex issues across ABS, SRS, transmission, and more. It's perfect for users looking to perform advanced repairs and system tests. The design is robust, featuring a 7-inch form factor that houses a clear and detailed screen. It's compatible with most vehicles from 1996 to 2023 and supports multiple languages like English, Spanish, and French. Pairing with the Repair Solutions 2 app offers wireless functionality and access to free updates, ensuring the scanner stays up to date. While its extensive features make it an exceptional tool for professionals and enthusiasts, the Anova 5610 is not universally compatible with all vehicles, so users must verify coverage before purchasing. It's a bit heavier and pricier than some alternatives, but its advanced diagnostics justify the cost for those who need pro-level functionality. Pros: advanced bidirectional controls, free updates, robust design. Cons: limited compatibility, heavier build. And finally, coming in at number 1 is the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool. This premium option, priced at $89.95, is hands down the most advanced and user-friendly scanner on this list. With its ability to read and clear trouble codes across ABS, airbags, SRS, TPMS, and more, BlueDriver offers professional-level diagnostics for all gas-powered vehicles manufactured after 1996. It also provides unlimited repair reports that include possible causes and fixes, making it an indispensable tool for both amateurs and seasoned mechanics. The wireless Bluetooth functionality connects seamlessly to your smartphone or tablet via the BlueDriver app, eliminating the need for bulky cables. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. The app itself offers detailed repair videos and real-time health monitoring, giving users an unmatched level of control over their vehicle diagnostics. While it's the most expensive scanner on this list, the lack of subscription fees and in-app purchases makes it a long-term investment that pays off over time. It's ideal for users who want the convenience of wireless diagnostics combined with professional-grade features. Pros: advanced diagnostics, wireless Bluetooth connectivity, no subscription fees. Cons: higher upfront cost. Requires a smartphone or tablet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.